Hi, we're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY blog called Clutter. We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. So here is some of our DIY meets design.
Hi, I'm Savannah from Clutter, and today I want to show you how I did this accent wall in under an hour. First, you're going to need your material. I used a can of paint, which I ended up using Behr Starless Night in a satin finish, which is our favorite color, navy right now, and also a brush. Let's go ahead and get started.
I started at the very bottom of the wall. The reason why I did this is because I wasn't 100% sure how it was going to work out, and so I wanted to make sure that in case I messed up, it would be hidden by the couch. I am using a 2-inch angle brush that I will put a link in the description box below. I am doing brush strokes about 3 to 4 inches long. There is nothing perfect about this pattern. As you can see, I'm kind of just eyeballing it and using my hand as a spacer in between each stripe. Every once in a while, I would think that the distance between the two different stripes was a little bit off, and so I would go back and make a few of the marks a little bit taller. Right here you can see how I'm using my hand to see the spacing between the two different stripes. As I got to higher parts of the wall, I used a chair so I could reach some of the upper parts. So that I wouldn't have to move my chair several times, I started working vertically instead of horizontally, but still keeping the spacing between each stripe about a hand width apart. The best thing about this wall is because it's so freehand, imperfections are great. Nothing has to be perfect with this design. I also love that there's some lighter parts and darker parts of the paint. It's all personal preference. And what's great about this wall is that it can be done on smooth or textured walls. This wall was so easy to do, and in less than an hour I was able to create this amazing accent wall, and also the supplies cost under $10.
If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel in order to see more DIY tutorials. See you next time!
Also, be sure to check out ClassyClutter.net.